Burger Paint is a manufacturing company that can buy raw materials from a supplier, manufacture paints as finished products and sell them to customers. At first, need to manufacture Bison Glow paint as a finished product. To produce paint, raw materials like glow acrylic, acrylic emulsion, and Bison acrylic are needed. In the inventory menu, need to create raw material. Here, some raw materials are already added before. Then, add finished products. After adding raw materials and the finished product, the quantity is still showing 0. So, need to buy raw materials from procurement and manufacture it. After production, the finished product quantity will be increased. From procurement, there is a purchase order option. It allows buyers to send purchase orders to the supplier first, outlining exactly what the order should contain and when it should arrive. The supplier provides the items to the buyer after receiving the PO, and the buyer can pay the bill whenever they want after receiving the items. First, create a purchase order. Need to buy raw materials through purchase order. It will include information such as the name of the supplier, the number of products, full descriptions of the items, the price, the date of purchase, and payment terms. Can save or approve it. For now, approving this PO. After approval, can see the receipts and bills tabs. If want, can receive the product first and then complete the billing process, or it can be altered. For now, receiving the raw materials from the warehouse in. Then from the Bills tab, can create a bill. Approved the bill. Can see the unbilled item is showing 0 and the billed item is updated. Also, the bill is in awaiting payment status. Can complete the payment method from here. After that, if we go to inventory, can see raw materials quantity is increased, but finished product quantity will be shown as 0. It will be increased after completing the manufacturing process. In the manufacturing menu, there is a sub-menu called Finished Product Materials. Need to create the formula of paint from here. First, create finished product materials. Need to select the finished product name from the drop-down. A single finished product can have multiple formulas. So, need to write the formula name. As making cotton pink color, so should write the formula name as cotton pink color. Quantity will be 1, also need to select the raw materials quantity for making 1 cotton pink color Bison Glow paint. Now approve this finished product materials. Now, going to produce the finished product. First, create a manufacturing order. Going to select the product name, formula name, how many quantities are going to be produced, batch number, and the manufacture date. When the formula name is selected, automatically the raw materials that are needed for manufacturing this item will be added here. Can also add a miscellaneous item if needed, then, approved. Now, this manufacturing order is in the to process status. Can also see the overall status in one glance from the inventory overview. Now, need to go to the manufacturing order link. Can see all the raw materials are available. Can also add operating costs if needed. For producing this paint, the labor cost is 200. This is the finished product cost per unit, and this porting is showing the total finished product making cost. Now, going to produce it. Status is showing as produced. If go to the inventory finished product, can see the finished product quantity is increased from 0 to 1. Now, going to sell this Bison Glow paint. Here, customers can directly purchase products by creating invoices or can book items from sales orders. To order a finished product, have to create a sales order. Then, add the customer name, all the required information, item name, and quantity to create a sales order. As the finished product quantity is available in stock, that's why showing the green sign. If not, then it would show a red sign. Here, can save, or approve it. For now, approving it. After approval, in inventory, one item will be shown as booked. Can also see the link from which sales order number this order is booked. Now, from a sales order, there is a delivery order tab. Click on the delivery order tab. Here, in a warehouse out can see the demand item quantity is 1 and the reserved is showing as 1. So, can easily be shipped it. Now, from the invoice tab, can create an invoice and complete the payment process. After that, if go to the inventory finished product, can see the finished product quantity is decreased. That's how one can manufacture a finished product and sell it to the customer.